Why do you always feel sad? Why do you wake up every day feeling exhausted and unmotivated? Why do you still feel empty inside, even when good things happen? If you've ever felt this way, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with these feelings, but most of them never realize the real reason behind their sadness. But here's the good news. You can break free from this cycle. You can feel happiness and motivation again. And most importantly, change is much easier than you think. I promise you, if you watch this video until the end, you will not only discover the true cause of your sadness but also learn how to eliminate it forever. So stay with me and learn these proven strategies that will transform your life. The real reason you're always sad, that no one tells you. Most people believe that their sadness comes from external problems like lack of money, heartbreak, a bad job, loneliness, judgment from others. But the truth is, sadness is not an external problem, it's a mental habit. Your mind works like a filter. If you constantly look for reasons to be unhappy, your brain will only see negativity. But if you train yourself to focus on the positives, you can feel good even in difficult situations. Your problem is not that life is too hard. Your problem is that your mind is focusing on the hardships. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that some people with very little are the happiest in the world? And others who have everything still feel depressed? Why? Because our emotions are not controlled by our circumstances but by our mindset. How to overcome sadness forever. Scientific and practical solutions. Now that you understand the root of the problem, it's time to break free from this negative cycle once and for all. 1. Change your thoughts, and your emotions will change. Every day, thousands of thoughts pass through your mind, but we tend to focus only on the negative ones. Train yourself to shift your focus to the positive. Exercise. Every night before bed, write down 3 positive things that happened during the day. This simple habit will gradually train your brain to focus on the good instead of the bad. 2. Let go of what you can't control. You can't change the past. You can't control what others think. You can't stop bad things from happening. But you can control how you react. Ask yourself, how much time and energy do you waste worrying about things that are completely out of your control? If you shift your focus to what you can change, your life will completely transform. 3. Live in the present, not the past or future. Depression comes from obsessing over the past. Anxiety comes from worrying about the future. But peace comes from living in the present. Instead of constantly worrying, learn to be fully present in the moment. Exercise. Spend a few minutes each day focusing only on your breathing. Studies show that this simple practice reduces stress and increases happiness. 4. Stop comparing yourself to others. Social media has made us all feel like our lives aren't good enough. Others have expensive cars, why don't I? Others are traveling the world, why am I stuck here? But the truth is, you're only seeing a small part of their lives. No one's life is perfect. We all face challenges, but most people only share the best parts of their lives online. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on becoming a better version of yourself. Now the choice is yours. You can stay the same and let sadness control you. Or you can take control of your mind and emotions and start a new chapter in your life. Comment below, I take control of my emotions, and make a promise to yourself that you will change your life. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you want to see more life-changing videos like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you ready to try these techniques?